Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emma and this is Lights Camera Bake. I have the baking blog Lights Camera Bake. I'll link that below. Today I am doing another taste test video. If you haven't seen my Kit Kat one or the Nutella one, I'll link those below as well. You can check those out. But today I have discovered, at least in Australia anyway, maybe they're in the rest of the world, I don't know, but new Cadbury Boost block of chocolate. So Boost, I know it has a different name in New Zealand, which is Moro Gold, but I think the rest of the world don't have Moros. But Moro Golds or Boost, or I don't know what they're called rest of the world, maybe they're all called Boost, I'm not sure, let me know if they're called something else, are basically like a bar of chocolate with, it's like a chocolate flavoured kind of like creamy nougat kind of filling with, they call them biscuit pieces, but they're like very light biscuit pieces and caramel throughout. So I'm sure a lot of people have had it and most people love them. I love them. But now we have it in block form. But I don't know how this is going to work because the bar is filled with the chocolate cream and caramel, and I don't know how you're going to translate that into a block, sorry. But we'll see. So I'm just going to go in and try this because I've been dying to eat this for days now. So we have the piece of chocolate. I don't know if it will focus on it. No, it's focusing on me. There we go. So the middle, you can see those little biscuit pieces. And the middle is very soft and creamy, just like the Boost. And you've got that lovely caramel as well. It's like having a Boost in bite-size form. I mean, unless you have more, like me. I didn't think I'd actually like it because I thought, how are they going to get all that lovely filling inside these little pieces? But they do. And the caramel's not as strong, I suppose, as the normal Boost, which I quite like because I'm not the biggest caramel fan. Yeah, these are awesome. The middle is so creamy and chocolatey and it's so good. And then with those biscuit pieces, exactly like a Boost. I love this. I'm so glad I bought this now. Because I was thinking I don't want to pay all that money and be disappointed, but I am not disappointed and I'm going to eat the rest. I'm going to try not eat the rest today, but I may end up doing that. This is a shorter video. I don't know what else I can tell you about this. I love it. If you have it available in your country or wherever you are, I recommend buying it because you will like it and it just means more Boost for you. Yeah, that's all. If you have any other ideas of food or chocolates or anything else you want me to test or do a versus like I did with the Nutella to try different brands of things, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more of these types of videos, for more baking videos, recipes and just a bit of fun, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.